The Emergency Income Kit does not teach you how to start a business. It simply gives you 28 easy, proven ways to get guaranteed work, more like having fun. Doing things you're probably already doing, such as scrolling through your Facebook feed looking at memes. This is simple, easy, fun, money-making online jobs you do from home, your car, or anywhere you have an internet connection, such as how to get paid up to $50 for simple tasks like keeping your location setting turned on your phone, or $30 for listening to your favorite music playlists. How about $27 for scanning your grocery receipts and hundreds just for sharing your opinion? The Emergency Income Kit is the go-to system individuals are using when they need immediate side income, without having to have any special experience, skills, education, or training. Inside, you'll discover hidden ways to generate income methods that many people don't even know about. Each method has detailed, easy, step-by-step directions to have you up and running within minutes. To get more information about the Emergency Income Kit, you can check us out at downloadyourcash.com, where Tom, E, and Jono will be waiting to welcome you aboard. Thanks for watching. We'll see you inside.